This is Sophie's first time in the water.
Come here. Come here.
She's not liking it.
Sophie.
And there she goes. Buck, buck, buck.
Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. There, that's a good girl. That's a good girl.
Get her to swim, Dad. First time swimming. That is one wet dog. We are at Trout Lake in Vancouver. Bruce, this is Trout Lake, right? Where are we?
What?
What's this place called?
Trout Lake.
Trout Lake, okay.
Come on, Sophie. Come on. Come on, good girl. She's swimming now.
Oh, good. She caught on.
There you go.
She likes it. She likes it. I hope she knows to come back.
Yeah.
You know.
She's going pretty quick now.
Yeah.
Good girl.
And she's swimming. Oh, don't come near me. Go away.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, she's liking it. Stay, Sophie, stay. Go away.